This was just a normal commute. It's slow stop and go along the I-10 until we got to 75th Avenue.
This is the voice of the man behind the wheel. He asks that we don't share his name, but he wants this moment shared.
I see a small Dodge Dart. It comes into the lane on my left very aggressively, but what happened a second later is what had me literally saying a couple of expletives.
His dash cam rolling as he rolled to a forced stop.
Semi cuts through traffic about a quarter of a mile and then swerves through the right lane to cut off the Dodge.
Any approaching traffic having to stop or swerve around. DPS telling us they got a few calls into 911 about this unknown situation just a few weeks ago.
The driver of the semi has blocked in the Dodge, jumped out of his rig, and is now basically in a confrontation with the driver window.
As the video gets closer, we can see the name of that trucking company, Turbo Express, based in Illinois. So we called them and showed them the video. They sent us a statement backing their driver and the decision he made, saying the other driver pointed a gun at him. That's why he went after the Dodge. They also said the incident will be reported to proper authorities. Problem is, according to DPS, it never was.
Bottom line, whatever happened between these two just a few minutes before, it pales in comparison to what the semi did. Taking matters into his own hands and endangering the lives of a number of other drivers, that's a 10-ton truck weaving around cars during rush hour.
Reporting for Operation Safe Roads in Phoenix, I'm Megan Thompson.